This sketch has symmetry, so we'll draw one side and mirror it, and I'll show you a smart trick to quickly catch any conflicts. Looks like we've got a conflict here, but it's not clear what's causing it. Usually this happens when a constraint is added by mistake, and tracking it down can be hard. Let's find it. First, remove the conflicting dimensions. Then move the white free edges and look for any weird connections. Here there's a connection between these two elements that shouldn't be there. This unwanted constraint was added by mistake. Just remove it to fix the issue. So, moving and dragging the white elements can reveal any wrong constraints, or even missing ones. Like and subscribe to stay sharp with more CATIA tricks.